guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So in today's video, I have created this amazing, super easy Valentine's Day special look for you all. This is super easy to achieve for all my beginners. So definitely give this a try. Valentine's Day is around the corner and it is the best time to spend with your loved ones and get all dressed and go on dates. So do all of that, have fun, and also let me know in the comment section down below how did you like this look. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And also follow me on Instagram. I'm super active there. I'm posting a lot of makeup reels and a lot of fun stuff there, so go follow me there also. Now without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's get started. So I'm going to start with prepping my skin first. For that I'm using L'Oreal White Perfect Clinical Derm White Essence. This is the new serum I am recently applying on my skin. So I begin my skincare with this. So I'm just going to take one pump of it and just put it on my face. And I'm just going to massage it into my skin nicely. Next, I'm going to apply Mamaearth's Oil-Free Face Moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. This has been my most favorite moisturizer and it works amazing as makeup base. So I'm just going to take that much of amount and just dot it all over my face and spread it on my face. This is such a beautiful moisturizer. Your makeup stays intact, like in one place, and your face also doesn't look oily or sweaty at all. And it doesn't make your face extremely dry also. This is the right amount of moisturization you need under your makeup. So I highly recommend this product. I have also made a detailed video on this moisturizer, so you can check it out. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Then next I'm going to apply this Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. Now this I have recently purchased and I am in love with this product ever since. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of it on the back of my hand. This is actually like a strobe cream and it adds that luminous glow to your face and you want to look like a glowing goddess on the day. So I'm just going to dot it on my face now and spread it evenly. You see that sheen it is giving to my skin. You can also mix this product in your foundation and directly apply. I like to apply this as a base and then apply foundation on top of it. See, look at that very subtle glow it adds to your high points. I just love that about this product. Now next I'm going to apply this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, Smooth and Blur Primer on my T-zone. It is very important that your base is perfect. You need just tiny amount of this primer for your T-zone, because when your base is perfect your makeup looks flawless and it is complete game changer. So make sure that your skincare and your base is looking very spotless and flawless. So I'm just going to apply it on my T-zone and massage it nicely. Next I'm going to apply my favorite foundation, that is MAC Matchmaster foundation, and I'm in the shade 50. This is a beautiful natural finish foundation, so I really love this one. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face and blend it out using a beauty blender. Next I'm going to apply my LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. This is going to highlight my under eye area and my high points. So I'm just going to apply a little bit in my inner corner and my outer corner of the eye. On my forehead, on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and on my cupid bows. And I'm going to blend it out again using Beauty Blender. You just have to dab the product at its place. Don't move it around. Just dab it where you have applied it. Now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Compact and I'm in the shade NC41, and I'm just going to put it on my concealer wherever I have applied my concealer, so my concealer won't crease. You just have to again dab it. Don't drag the product, otherwise your concealer will move from its place, so you just have to dab like this. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this and I'm just going to put compact on all over my face, so it will make sure that makeup stays intact and it doesn't move from its place. I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows using Miss Claire's brow pencil in the shade dark brown. Next I'm going to bronze up my face using Milani's bronzer. It's in the shade Sun Drenched 04. So I'm just going to pick it up on my brush. This is a fluffy brush. This is a random brush by Vega. So I'm just going to put it on the hollows of my face. Upwards you have to do it like this. And on the temples, on your forehead. I'm going to put a little bit on the side of my nose also to contour my nose. You just have to softly contour our nose, so you don't need too much of product. Whatever is left, you can do it with that only. Next, I'm going to apply blush. I'm going to use Savannah Colors blush palette. I have been using this palette only ever since I've got this. So I'm going to dig into these two colors, these two shades. And I'm just going to tap the extra product and dab it on my face like this, upwards. This will give nice lift to your face and your cheeks will look very nice, flushed from inside. It will give a nice rosy pink glow to your face. Same on the other cheek. This color is so gorgeous. And on my nose also. See what did just happen. I broke my mirror. Now I'll have to work for the rest of my face. I'll have to use some small mirror of compact powder or something. So I'm going to let's just continue this tutorial. Now moving on to eye makeup, I am going to use Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and this is such a gorgeous palette. I have recently got this one, and ever since I have got this one, I have been going back to this palette only. I mean, the formula is so amazing. You don't need, makeup skills also to use this palette. You just need your hands, and you don't need any brushes also. I most of the times just dig into this palette and apply the eyeshadows using my fingers, and they apply so beautifully. So today also I'm going to do that only. So first I'm going to dig into this shade right here. This is called as Demure, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and just apply it on all over my eyelid. These shadows apply beautifully with fingers, so I would recommend using your fingers only to apply these shadows. I'm going to keep this look very nice and rosy, so I'm using a lot of pink and red, pink, all the shades of roses. So I'm going to play with those shades. You see how beautifully this shade is applied on my eyes. Now I'm going to take a brush like this, a pointy brush, and I'm going to pick up the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line also. Now I'm going to pick up this pink shade. This is called as Doll Face, and I'm just going to put it on the sides of my eyes, on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just putting it on the outer corner, just dabbing the color there to get the intensity of the color. This color is looking so gorgeous. I'm going to drag that color on the lower lash line also. Same I'm going to repeat on this eye. So put it on the outer corner and just dab it. So you will get the most intensity of this color. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this and just smooth out the edges. Next I'm going to dig into this shade right here. This is called as Rose Gold. I'm going to apply it with fingers only because the application is so beautiful with fingers. So I'm just going to apply it from the inner corner of my eyes till halfway. This shade is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. My eyes are actually looking like rose petals. So next I'm going to dig into this shade. This is called as Pink Diamond. This one right here. So I'm just going to take it again on my fingers and put it in the inner corner of my eyes only. And again going to take a fluffy brush and blend out everything so everything looks nice and nicely blended and there are no edges or any sharp edges left and it looks all smooth and flawless. Now next I'm going to dig into this shade right here. This is called as Bubbly. So I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes to highlight my eyes and make them look bigger. Now I'm quickly going to apply the eyeliner and complete my eye look. So for that I'm using Colossal Liner by Maybelline. This is my most favorite liner of all times. So I'm just going to create a good old wing liner with this. Next I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics white liner pencil. This will make your eyes look more open and bigger. So I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. Now time to apply my most favorite makeup product, and that is mascara. I love applying mascara so much. This is a complete game changer for any of your makeup looks. So this mascara is by Maybelline. It's the Falsies Push-Up Drama and it's gorgeous. It's just too beautiful. Always apply your mascara from the roots. Just don't apply it on the ends of your lashes. Apply it right from the roots. And also don't forget your lower lashes. Otherwise it will look very incomplete. If you want extra volume to your lashes, here is a trick. You can apply one coat of mascara and then just let it dry and then apply second coat of mascara. It will give you fuller and more fuller lashes with more volume. Next I'm going to apply the highlighter. This is by Wet n Wild and this is their Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. It's a beautiful highlighter. So I'm just going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Always blend your highlighter with the blush. Don't just apply it like one stroke. Also apply on the sides. Just take it to your eyebrows. On the bridge of your nose, on the point of your nose, a little bit in the center of your forehead, on your cupid bows, and on the chin. And finally the lipstick. So today I'm going to use Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, as you all know, because I have been using this lipstick only. I just can't get enough of this lipstick. This is in the shade Flush It Red. Now it's Valentine's Day and red lipstick is a must for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm going to apply this one. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. This makeup tutorial of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comment section down below what are your special plans on the Valentine's Day with your special ones and what are you planning to do for them. I will also get some ideas, guys. So comment in the comment section down below and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And also follow me on Instagram. I'm super active there. I'm posting a lot of makeup reels and a lot of fun stuff on Instagram, so go follow me there also. I will leave the link in the description box down below. So I will end my video here and now and I am going to see my next one. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day in advance.